Okay, these arrived today. So we have two boxes to unbox. This one I will leave for later. This is the RevoPoint wrench, the new scanner from their Kickstarter just arrived. So I will unbox this later. And this one is the GoPro. It's the GoPro 11 Black Edition. So let's see unboxing that one. Okay, so I ordered this on Amazon and they had pretty good deal on this one. I paid $364.46 for this one. GoPro website, they sell this one. It's the Hero11 Black Plus accessories bundle, and they sell it for £399, so £399 and 98 pence, and that includes the 1 year of GoPro subscription plan. Okay, so let's get into it. It's quite fitting to unboxing a camera because I think I was a bit tired shooting on the iPhone. Not that the quality is bad, but you know, putting it on the gimbal all the time, setting up microphone and everything. So it's just the packaging. Let's get the box away. So let's get this one away. So that's how it comes, like this. Just a standard packaging. Okay. So how do you open this one from the back? Okay, so here is the thing. So my main reason is since I'm gonna start making more videos, hopefully soon, I need a proper camera. And well, proper camera. I need something that would be very quick to use without using my phone. So, and that's how it looks when you look inside. So there are some paperwork. Subscribe to GoPro. I think this is for the cloud uploading. Just some quick start guide. Oh, some stickers as well. So we got some stickers. What else? It's just some pro tips for cold weather. And this is just the manual. Okay, that's it. So now for the camera itself. So this is it's quite light, very light. I thought it will be a lot more heavy. So this is the handle, and this should be waterproof. So okay, quite light. I expected it to be much more heavy. What else? This charging cable, just standard USB-C to USB-A. Just some mounts. So I see some clips with some M3 tape, so you can stick these ones to anything. I think this might be quite good maybe for a car. And there are two batteries for the GoPro. I believe these are the Enduro batteries. This is the head strap. Okay, with some rubber bands on it. Yeah, this might be quite useful for the head strap. I need some gel, anti-slip gel at the other side. Another mount. This is the fast clip for the head mount. And the camera itself. Okay. So I think that's how it looks when it comes like new. And you just peel this one. And this one. Oh. That's the screen. Okay, so this one's completely brand new, as you can see. And we can try to put battery in, just for the quick. How do you even open this one? I don't want to break it on the on the first day. Yeah, that's the way how you open it. So let's try to pop one battery. Hopefully it's not completely flat, to see if we can get to power it on. I think this go in like that. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, let's try to switch it on. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so you have the couple of languages to choose. We will stick to English to keep it simple. There's some legal stuff. Okay, let's agree. Turn on to track your footage with location, speed, attitude, and more. Yes, why not? Install the GoPro Quick app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Okay, so I can't do this because I'm shooting on my camera, and this is exactly the reason why I bought this one. So I can keep my phone free when I'm shooting anything. So this is just a quick unboxing. I will do a little bit more in-depth review later on my first impressions maybe. And that's it basically. So that's everything that comes with the camera. So that's for my first unboxing. See you in the next one.